Hi, Jake Thalliber here, Safety Application Engineer from SICK. I am based out of our USA headquarters in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today I'd like to talk a little bit about our deTec4 safety light curtain and how it addresses the largest pain points historically for customers with safety light curtains in general. Those being wiring, mounting, and alignment. So first off, with wiring, I can show you our system plugs and the wiring concept. And right away you'll notice every single system plug will have standard M12 cabling. Doesn't matter which one you choose, and we have 8 different options, but they will all have M12 cabling. So if you're trying to get a cell or application up and running, your customer would just need to grab their standard M12 cabling off the shelf, plug it in, and they're up and running. As far as configuring the device, we have the system plug concept where all of the memory is stored in this guy, and this is the SP2 with more advanced functions, and you can take the dust-proof cover off and see all the dip switches that are available on this system plug. So, upgrading an application that started with this, with less features, and now all of a sudden you want more features, you don't need to replace the light curtain. You just take that plug off and replace it with the SP2 model. Again, this is only to be used on the receiver. That is because the functionality is defined by the receiver itself. So you only need the SP2 on the receiver. Then I'd like to go right into our mounting concept and the alignment features. So I usually start by just taking a deTec4 off of the bracket and pointing out we have a position memory or intentionally designed ledger right on the back side of the deTec4. And what that does is it butts up really nice to the top of the flex fix brackets. So going ahead and showing them how to mount the device, going in at 90 degrees and rotating in. Here's where I really accentuate that position memory by pushing down. And then the nice thing about the flex brackets is you can rotate the light curtain inside the bracket. So making alignment really nice and simple for the customer. Also, we have, for maybe longer range or more difficult alignment applications, we have a laser alignment tool that's built into every deTec4 sender side. So I'll turn that on. And then the easiest way to see it is actually just put your hand in front of it and point out the visible red laser. It becomes super visible as soon as you put your hand in front of it. Of course, as we know, a piece of white paper works really well as well. But what you're trying to do with that laser is point it in the center of the bottom row of blue LEDs. So talking about the blue LEDs, we have 4 on the bottom and 4 on the top. So 0 to 8 is your best or worst to best alignment quality. The bottom 4 for rotational alignment, and the top 4 are for plumbness. So you get a physical indication right on the light curtain of how well it is aligned. And right now, it looks like, let's see if I can get perfect alignment. So perfect alignment right now, you can see the field indicator on the top is green. That's because that's only for the status of light curtain blocked or not. And then the bottom OSSD or safe outputs are red right now. That's because they're off as we're in an alignment mode. So if I turn alignment mode off, now we're up and running. It's really that simple with the deTec4 safety light curtain. And those 3 things make our product a very superior product on the market. Some other things to point out to customers is that we have the longest range on the market at 30 meters. So they'd be wondering why that's a huge deal for customers. We've actually run into instances where the customer, a light bulb goes off in their head and says, so now I need less light curtains to cover my long span. And that's exactly true. So Some other things that we like to point out are built into every deTec4 model now is IO-Link. So these light curtains are Industry 4.0 ready. Some of the things that we can do with IO-Link are turn on the laser alignment aid. We can have control of the top LED. So you can turn it red, green, yellow, white. You can turn this off if you like. So different process controls, full control of that. But a number of other different things. We can get the status of every beam. So now you're talking about getting process signals from the light curtain. What does that mean? It means that it's basically a standard sensor and a safety sensor built into one device. So maybe reducing the total number of sensors on the product line as a whole. Another thing unique to the deTec4 is these guys have 2-sensor muting capabilities now with the SP2. We turn our associated dip switches for muting, and we sell this inexpensive accessory called the muting connector that allows us to attach our 2 muting inputs. So no expensive muting modules or extra controls on these devices. The devices themselves do the muting. So there's a number of different things that make this a superior product. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your channel manager or your local safety application engineer, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks. Bye.